Chapter 1, Continuity and Change. In this first chapter, we will discuss the continuity of care and the changes in the field of early childhood education. Before we begin this journey this semester, we must answer the following question. What is early childhood education? Early childhood education is defined as a highly diverse field where early childhood teachers make decisions based on a specialized body of knowledge to improve the lives of their students. ECE teachers are lifelong learners who are committed to providing high-quality services to the children and families they serve. The field of early childhood education has the ability to make a real difference in the lives and futures of students. The field of early childhood education is on the rise for 5 reasons. 1. There is an increase in the public support and recognition of the field. This increase has led to increased funding to support early childhood initiatives. 2. Early childhood education fosters school readiness and provides students with the necessary tools to do well both academically and personally. 3. Children who have access to high-quality early childhood programming at a young age have long-term success in life. 4. Early childhood education has been proven to decrease the likelihood that a child will be incarcerated later on in life. Lastly, early childhood education has had positive effects on the achievement gap. NAEYC, or NAEYC, the National Association of Young Children, is the world's largest professional early childhood education organization. NAEYC acts on the behalf of the needs, rights, and well-being of children birth through 8, as well as providing standards for for ECE teacher education preparation programs. NAEYC provides accreditation for both child care settings as well as two-year institutions. In addition, lastly, NAEYC provides its members and community with the following resources: the Young Child Journal, national and regional conferences, professional development opportunities. Visit the NAEYC website at www.naeyc.org. Once there, review 3 sections of the website. Be prepared to share this in class. An early childhood program setting is defined as one of the following 5 settings: child care centers, private and public, family child care homes, preschools, public, private, parent cooperative, laboratory schools, and early elementary grades K through 3. Public pre-kindergartens are funded by state and local departments of education, are the fastest growing sector of the field, and have been proven through research to improve school readiness. Head Start programs are federally funded preschool programs that serve 3, 4, and 5-year-olds. Children must come from low-income families. The program provides comprehensive services including a parent involvement piece. Early Head Start programs serve low-income mothers, infants, and toddlers. They promote healthy family functioning. Early intervention and early childhood special education services serve children with disabilities or special needs. They are mandated by the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. Many states provide early intervention services either through the Birth to 3 system or the 3 to 5. Use the text to answer the following question. How do kindergarten and primary grades differ from their pre-kindergarten and early intervention counterparts? Be prepared to share your answers in class. As early childhood teachers, we need to ensure that we look at early childhood through a language lens as well. When doing so, we need to pay attention to 3 things: dual language learners, linguistic diversity, and cultural diversity. Dual language learners are children who are learning to speak 2 languages at the same time, usually their home language and English. Linguistic diversity refers to language diversities within the student body. How would you define cultural diversity? On page 14 of the text, the author describes characteristics of professional intentional early childhood teachers. Do the following. Choose 3 of the bullet points. Describe how you would meet the expectations for each of the characteristic sets. Be prepared to share this in class. Review the opportunities for working with children section of the text on pages 14 through 16. Choose 3 opportunities you see yourself possibly pursuing during your educational career. Describe why you chose these opportunities and describe what you will need to do to get there. Be prepared to share this in class. The culture of early childhood education requires educators to have commonalities in their vocabulary, identity, values, and beliefs. Answer the following questions. Why or why not is this important? What does shared vocabulary look like? Is shared identity possible? What would it look like? What beliefs about the educational process, curriculum, and working with students and their families should educators share? In the chapter, the author discusses the importance of standards. There are 3 standards described in the text: child care licensing, accreditation, and Head Start program performance standards. What other types of standards are there that were not mentioned? CLASS is defined as Classroom Assessment Score System. It is used as an observational tool to assess preschool and elementary school environments. There is a focus on interactions between students and teachers, as well as the instructional strategies used in the classroom. ECRS-R is an observational system used to rate program quality on a 7-point scale, from inadequate to excellent. Pennsylvania uses ECRS-R and its infant-toddler counterpart, ITERS-R, to assess classrooms as part of the Keystone Stars initiative. The positive effects of high-quality early childhood education include the following: brain research, the Perry School Project, the Abernathy Project, Chicago Child Parent Centers, pre-kindergarten, Head Start, and child care. Choose 3 that were named and describe the positive effects from them. In addition, write down what would have happened if they had not existed. Be prepared to share this in class. As educators, it's important that we understand that a gap in achievement for some students exists and is putting them at disadvantage to succeed academically. Questions we need to ask ourselves: where did it begin? How can we close the achievement gap? And why should we? Currently, there are several educational trends in early childhood education, including universal pre-kindergarten movement, standards and accountability, alignment of preschool and K-3, higher teacher qualifications, advances in technology, continuity and change. Using your Manners library resources, EBSCO and print collection, as well as Google Scholar, find one article on one of the mentioned topics. Please read the article and be prepared to share this with your peers in class.